September 2002. That's an important date to me, and you'll also have an important date like that in your life. If you're a car nut like me, that was the day you heard the words, "Congratulations, you've passed your driving test. You can now go out whenever you want, wherever you want. Just go out for a drive, to zone out for a while and de-stress. And maybe, just maybe, might even take you back in time." Say hello to where it all began for me. Hi everyone, welcome to my new YouTube channel. This is MEC-TEC, my name's Mike, and this is where it all began. I didn't know where to start with the YouTube channel, so I figured start at the beginning where it started for me. And this is the car that began it all. Question is, will it run? It's been sitting here now for best part of 2.5 years, so let's see if it still fires up. So the battery's been on charge. Let's pull the choke out as it's that old. Let's see what happens. Battery seems good-ish. Getting the old petrol pumped up, mechanical fuel pump on this. Doesn't want to go. It will go. There we go. There we go. Every time. Doesn't matter how long you leave this car, it always fires up. Brilliant. Let's show you around it. So here it is out in the open. 1984. It's a crossover year between the Mark 1 and the Mark 2. This is an early Mark 2, believed to be around, I think, the 7th oldest one left, supposedly. Don't quote me on that. Being an early one, this is the sad facts coming out now. No handle on the lock, it's just a lock on its own. On the sides, because it's the gear, it's got the gear side mouldings, and on the earlier ones they extended down the arches, whereas on the later ones they just cut straight across. Same on the front there as well. Now you would have noticed the wheels aren't original. I have got the original wheels, but these were changed when I got it back on the road in about 2016, I think it was. These are Compomotive CXRs, just sort of a bit different and not XR2-ish. I didn't want pepper pots because everyone does that. Another thing on the early ones is the amount of slats in the grille on the scuttle. I think there's only 21 slats, I think, on this, whereas on the later ones they changed to 27. I think that's right. Again, don't quote me on it, could be wrong. Going around the front, obviously you've got the gear bumpers with the overriders built in. Manual pull-up aerial. Glass sunroof. Inside, within the gear, it's got the velour seats. These headrests are different on the earlier ones as well. Got pillow type headrests. On the later ones they're more rounded. Not so comfortable. It's got the negative display clock, which you can see there, which on the later ones was like a green with white, sorry, a green background with grey lettering rather than black background with green lettering. All original full mats in it. That one's looking a little bit thin now. It's still there, and same in the back. Show you under the engine. Pop up on it. Not the tidiest under here, but good old reliable engine. 1117cc Valencia, I believe. Not too bad really for its age. Obviously it's not perfect, but then it's been used. It's not been a garage coin as such. Well, it has been for the last few years, but when I had it on the road originally, it was definitely used a lot. So it's not got MOT at the moment. As I say, it's been up here for a good 2.5 years. So it's probably going to need a little bit of remedial work to get it back on the road. Hopefully, won't be too long, and I'll be driving it again. Now we've got some better weather and lockdown restrictions lifting. There we go. So what's it all about in this YouTube channel? Well, mainly rusty old cars. Now, anything mechanical, anything that needs a bit of repair, something you can get your teeth stuck into. Hopefully we'll have some good videos to come in the future. If you want to join me along the way, you're very welcome. See you all soon. One more thing. What do you suppose that is under there? Stick your guesses in the comments down below. See ya. So this is my first car. Or was it? That was my real first car, age 5. Bye.